When you see a loved one end their high school education, it is a difficult thing to watch. Especially when it is your child. Many young people may not understand the importance of a high school education to their future and can only see the difficulty it may cause in their current daily life. It may be they don't get along with other students or even the teachers. Regardless of the situation, it is hard to watch a loved one throw their future away. A high school education does not need to be received in the traditional high school setting. With today's technology, there are many ways in which to get an education. One of the best means of receiving a high school education is to participate in an online education program. Many are low-priced and offer choices to the participating student. Online high school education provides the student access to as many classes as they need to receive their high school diploma. Whether the student needs credit in science, social studies, English, math, or a foreign language, an online education program will have them available. These online high school education classes also allow the student to learn at their own pace. If the student is working during the day, they can access their classes in the evening. The fact is, online education makes it easy and convenient for the student. When helping your loved one to choose an online high school education program, you'll want to make sure it is accredited. This means the school has been officially recognized as a qualified education program and your student will receive a quality education from it. You will also want to make sure that your loved one has all the details and understands how the program works. You don't want them to feel frustrated again and quit halfway through their program. Providing all the details up front is important. If your loved one has not received their high school education, provide them with the opportunity and support they need to finish out their high school education. It may be they are simply too scared or lacking the confidence to continue. When you give them the encouragement, they will thank you for it and greatly appreciate all of the support you gave them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.